ऑनलाइन की भी अभी ना ఇది కనిపిస్తే చెప్తాడు
Can you hear me? Now, is it clear now, ma? Online? Online is the voice is clear now? Online is voice is clear now? Yeah, it's good. To the most, it's clear then. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine, nice. Okay, we'll start with the review one. Sorry, feedback one. I will just post you the link. నేను పోస్ట్ చేయనా మీరు share WhatsApp. మీరు ఏమని చెప్తారు? Okay, everyone in the online and offline one click ఎలా ఆఫ్లైన్ కి లింక్ ఎలాగా మరి ఆఫ్లైన్ కి లింక్ ఎలాగా online I'm just sharing you a link online in the uh, chat. I just shared you a link. You can go with the feedback one. We'll just have a 10 minutes feedback form. We'll continue the class after this. I don't think we have a classroom like huh? Telegram we have. Yes, we have Telegram. Oh, na, 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 na. Right, something like 4 p.m. 4 p.m. HTML. Which one, Ray? Is this the one, na? Good, good. हो गया. You can just check it on. Sir, should we fill the form first? Yeah, just go with the form once. After that, we'll start with the like. Just finish it in 5 to 10 minutes. Like we'll start it by 4:30. The class. Okay. Okay. Sure.
Good evening, all. Yes, I am from the Naresh IT quality team. Just kindly open the Google Classroom. You'll find a link. Just click that link. You'll find the Google form there. In that, you will find certain questionnaires mentioned in that. Just give your feedback. What do you think? What do you expect? And what has to be done? And what Naresh IT can help you in this. So this is the time where you can provide your feedback, your suggestions. So it's very useful for us. Just kindly go through the Google form. Just give your personal feedback. The online students, can you hear me? Just as soon as you complete your feedback, just mention in the chat box as done or completed so that you can resume your classes back. Just hardly it takes some 5 to 8 minutes. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Zubair. Thank you, Priyanka, Rahul. So on regular basis, we will be taking the feedback. Not only about the faculty, just you can give any other also about the maintenance, technical, admin, supporting, etc. Thank you, Abhishek, Venkata, Chandu, Hemalata. Thank you, Pavitra. Thank you, Supraja, Anna, Ankamma, Koniki. Thank you, Shruti. The offline students, hope everyone are giving you feedback with your laptop or mobile. This link will be applicable till 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. After that, it will be disabled. So after that, you can't give your feedback. So this is the time where you can give your proper feedback suggestions. Not but the least, there is one last question. Just give some 2-3 lines about what can be done for the improvement purpose, any kind of suggestions. So based on that, the management will take the decision. Just try to give only the positive one feedback. Thank you, Kiran, Nikita, Dayanand, Gaurav Kumar, Said Ali. I need some 100% feedback from your end. Don't try to miss it. Thank you, Anudeep. Thank you, Nayak. Thank you, Venkata. Thank you, Mihir, Venkateshwari. Thank you, Gangadhar, Sheikh, Bilal, Ranjit, Srinu. Just 2 minutes more, please. Just try to wind up, please, so that you can resume your classes back. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you, Nagarjun, Kirti Reddy, Banu Prakash, from Thanu. Thank you. The last 2 minutes more, please. Online students, just make it fast. Thank you, Suman Pradhan, Lakshmi, Sai Krishna. Last 1 minute more, please. Thank you, Charan. The last 30 seconds, please. Just wind up fast. Thank you, Gupta. Thank you one and all for your feedback. Just have a nice day.
Oh, he's on mute only all the time. No, no. Good. Okay, online, are you all there? Let's start JavaScript. Let me share the screen. Let's see what we have discussed in the previous classes, everyone. Okay, you're not on this. VS Code, file, open folder, 4 p.m. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now, yesterday, day before yesterday, and the previous classes, we discussed something called DOM. Yesterday, we did a DOM creation, Yesterday, we did DOM creation. How did I do? One more time. Go here, index.html. Go live. See, DOM concept you will understand once you started doing practice. Understand the difference. If it is something like HTML, you will just by listening you will understand. Some CSS by seeing you will get it. But JavaScript is not like that. When you see a concept, you might feel it like it's okay, but when you try it, you will get it the reality of it. Okay, because it's completely logical. Now here, yesterday I created this. Now, can you see in HTML? If you go and see here HTML, in HTML, I created one section, banner. In this section, I put one heading, I put one paragraph, I put one div. In this div, I put the input and button. Did I write anything in the main, ma'am? Did I write anything in the main? No. I did not put anything in the main. But I made the main have some values in the JavaScript. In the JavaScript. How it will work? Now go here. If I go here, if I type it here, painting. Now if I just type it here, now painting came as one particular point. Now see, what did you add it, sir? I added here one div. What I added, ma? Div. Now inside the div, what are there? Paragraph and button. Paragraph and so total how many elements I created? 3 elements. I created one div, sir. I created one paragraph. I created one button. Inside the paragraph, I wrote whatever you put inside the button. Input. Inside the input, I gave something. Whatever the value I put inside the input, same thing I put here. Whatever the value button need, something cross mark, I put it inside the button. Then both of the paragraph and button, both they are outside initially. I keep them inside the div. And this whole div, I kept it inside the main div. Right or not? There comes to your point. This is the basic DOM creation. But yesterday what I did, what if someone enter and another one? If someone enter and another code, another task. Now, total how many tasks came, sir? So the moment you are adding, what I'm doing it is, I am pushing a value into the array. I'm pushing a value into the array. Same thing you can do it for e-commerce apps also. You can do it for so many things. If you are really thinking, sir, you can actually create same logics. See, I pushed it into an array. Everything is pushed into an array. What is the array name? What is the array name? Now in that array name to do's, I just printed all the values. All the values. Simple. If someone click the button, delete button, click kar diya. The moment they click the delete button, they will ask one question, confirm. What is the question? Confirm is a default function. If you write confirm function now, it will ask one question. It will ask you yes or no, true or false. If you say okay ma, it will be considered as true. If you say cancel, consider as false. Do you want to delete? Okay. Automatically response will be okay. If response is true, what it will do, sir? Delete. What it will do? Splice operation I used for delete, sir. If you don't know splice operation, again from starting you should learn. Okay. Now, and I just alerted. What is this alert? Alert is for showing the message. So go here. Let me delete one thing. I'm deleting painting. Everyone see this here. So it will ask me one question. Do you want to delete? See, like a confirm box. Do you want to delete? Yes. If I click here, okay, then automatically it is true. So it is deleted. After deleting, what it is printing, ma? You alert. In that alert, you deleted a wish. Dekho, you deleted a wish. And it's deleted. Can you see that? Online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? And yesterday, I told you guys to try on your own. How many of you tried DOM creation? Tried, I am saying it. Good. Did anyone created a link? No? Why, Ray? If you created, give me the link. Online, someone created. Jumblejam.netlify.app. Let me open it. What is this? Yesterday we seen this application. Can you remember that? Now, yesterday I told you this. Did you remember this project? Like, see what they are doing instead of blocks. If you remember yesterday, I told you one question. She only asked me one question like, what if I put 4 divs? Instead, she used letters only. I choose 4 letters. Okay. So what she put, randomly she will take one word. In that word will be in the array. Word will be in the, now in that array, whatever the word is there, in that word, it will do jumble. Now dekho, jumbled ho gaya. This one is correctly some word. You should guess the correct word and give it. And it will check it, is it correct word or not. JavaScript. Hey, good Ray. Good. Good. Submit. You guessed it correct. New word. Correct. Now, when you create these kind of things, your mind will be like, now, if I created this, I will feel it like, let's put scoreboard. Let's put reward board, like some kind of scoreboard on every right answer. Increase some score. Put some kind of animations. Make it some kind of login things. Give it some kind of another contact page. Right or not? Because see, from first day I'm telling it to you. Every day I make you do one task. Why? Because the more you do, the more you will feel like to create the things. The biggest problem with freshers are they will just leave everything, listen to all classes. Later they will try to create it. Or in the labs they will try it. It will not work. Create it with your passion. Whatever you want it. If you want to create a simple game, do it with your passion. This is one of the nice way to teach children some things. I think one game is also their mobile game, something similar. Okay, but most people use it actually. Good. Online, someone else, Sunil Naik created. This one is really good, Mansi. Sunil Naik created pen paper drawing app. I can draw something. And this is also JavaScript only. How do you draw? Using Canvas. Using Canvas, you can draw into this one. Just go here. If you go to this JavaScript files, now, can you see here? They created the Canvas one. In HTML, they will just put one canvas, and that canvas they will take it in the JavaScript, and the canvas one they will put it whatever the logic they want. These things are very easy if you just try to do it. Now, our last project is e-commerce website only, ma. Next, any other person did any another one? Tell me the links, anyone? Tell me a task. Tom for example dot netlify dot app. Most of the boys did not do that. Till now, some boys are not doing it. Very few are doing it daily. I wanted you to give me the links. Goal list. Write down your list goals. Okay. Okay. Colors change हुआ. थोड़ा change क्या है? Running. Add goal. Running. Oh, this one is good. Now, what it can be good if you check on it, it should be at least strike down. When I click on it, strike down should happen. Like text decoration line through. Simple. You can make it delete. Do you want to remove this? Delete. Perfect. Goal list. Nice idea. Hmm? Give me the link. Bucket dash li dot netlify dot app. No. bucket bucket dash li dot netlify dot app. Is it right? Why it is not coming? Is it yours or yours? LIS. Write your dreams into reality. Okay. Make your dream list real. Same thing, instead of your magic wish, you put it like dream list. Very good. This is really good. Right, Vishal? But for me, it will work. He is right. I didn't put validation only. That is good. Now he put an another validation. Now make your early morning jogging. I don't think it will work. It's working. Now good. Delete. Yeah. Nice. Any other? Hmm? To-do list? Online, no one did. Only 2 people did. Online, remaining people, ma? Like any problem is there? Online, remaining people have any problem, ma? Any question? To-do list 3.netlify.app. This one is really good. Set up a reminder. Set a reminder. So this is not a to-do one. It's like a reminder one. Let's go here. Need to water the plants before that I add. I really love this. It is coming date. It is coming link. It is coming this. This one is really good. Nice idea. The way you put it is all good. Any other? But all are DOM only. Are you understanding, ma? So see, DOM is so powerful. Using DOM, if you create this particular things, na, slowly, in future, what you will do, you will create it like, bigger things. Like imagine you are learning React tomorrow after certain days. Then same thing, sir. I know how to create a counter in JavaScript, how to create counter in React, how to create a to-do list in React. You will learn. That way you will understand the difference. Right or not? Even you are learning Angular, you will understand the difference. How did date came, There is one function called new date. There is a class in JavaScript called date. If you write new date, automatically date aata. Can you see? Date came in JavaScript. If you write it new date, automatically current date will come. So, and this current date, you can store it in something variable also. dt equals to new date. Are you getting my point, sir? Now see, let dt equals to new, because she did that, I'm doing this. I got dt. Now date aa gaya. But date it is coming so many things na. Thursday, February 2025, all. If you want only date, sir, you can write dt dot to date string. Only date will come. To, if I give to locally date string, that day also will not come. Only date will come. Or to time string. Total time will come. Or if I write it here, to local time string, time will come. Are you getting my point, sir? You can try it multiple ways. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? There is a method there for that. Now, go here. I hope it goes with a clarity till now. Now, today you are going to understand, today and tomorrow you will going to understand something called events. Events. Let's do events, sir. Events dot txt. Events. Index.html. Style.css. No need of style.css. Script.js directly. Exclamation, enter. Go live. And start here. Online, I hope till now it's clear, ma. If anyone have any doubts, you can tell me now. JavaScript, nodes, events. Let's start, sir. Events are used. Events are used. Are used to trigger some functions Events are used to trigger some functions or actions based on user response. Now, sir, some users will come to your website and they will do some response, sir. Like some users will click a button. You go to the website. Now, if I open a website, like for example, let me go here, Google website. Now in Google website, the moment I'm typing something, something is happening, right or not? Whenever I'm typing something, something is working, right? Or whenever I am entering this Google search, something will work, right or not? So it's like user can do so many things. Whenever user is doing, different works are happening. When user is inputting something, something is happening. When user clicking a button, something is happening. Sometimes when user drag, something will happen. When user drop, something will happen. When user put their mouse on it, something will happen. When user put the mouse outside, something will happen. Or sometimes I go to some forms, like kind of forms are there. If I go here, some forms. If I try to enter, the moment you are entering it, sometimes it will give directly error or not, right? The moment without any clicking the sign in button, it is giving error or not. Whenever sometimes when you click the form button, it will submit the form. Like all are events only. So what they all are doing, sir, based on user response, they are triggering some functions or actions. They are triggering some functions or actions. Yesterday or day before yesterday, 4 days onwards, we did something called on click. You are writing on click, on click, on click. On click एक event है. What is that event will do? When someone click, it will call the function, right or not? What if no one clicks? Will it work anything? No. The user has to give response. If instead of clicking, I go to the button, I just put it some kind of drag and drop. Will it work anything? No. It will work only if user clicks it, because you write it a event on click. And when user clicks it, it will call the function. Right or not? Are you all getting my point, ma? It's like a Newton's third law, action and reaction. Okay. We are doing it based on the user action. We are doing some reaction. But sir, how many types you can put it? We can mention different types of events such as first one, mouse events, these events are triggered बोले तो started, okay, are triggered when user applies response with mouse. If user uses their mouse, it will work. These events, like like one button is there. Click me, and I am writing it here. One function display console.log hello world. Now what does this function will do, ma? It will print in the console hello world will print in the console. Now I go here, I write it here, on click, fun. Now anyone bolo what will happen? It will print hello world only if someone click in. If someone click the button only, it will print the hello world. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear, ma? Any doubts in it? No. If someone clicks only, it will print. But sir, with what you will click? With mouse only, na? So on click is a mouse event. On click is a barabar. Now, same thing. This time what I will do, another button. Click me to. I will write it here. On mouse over. On mouse over. Fun. Now, on mouse over bole to hover effect. You remembered in CSS hover effect, ma? In CSS hover effect, what it is, whenever you put your mouse on it, automatically it will apply. That is called hover. Same thing it will work here on mouse over. Now you go here. I go to my app. If I go here, now if I click here, first one, if I click, huh? I did not connect it to the JavaScript, and that to name is not a fun display. First thing I should not connect to the JavaScript. Second one, name should be fun here. Okay, go here. Now, first one, if I click, hello world is printing. No doubts here. Second one, whenever I put my mouse only, it will work. I don't need to click. If I put my mouse over it, automatically it will print. Now, go here. For first one button, we need to click. But for second one, I don't need to click. Now see here, 4 times hello world printed. But did I click the 4 times? No, I just putting my mouse here. That's it. I'm not clicking here. When I put my mouse, it is coming. But user what is doing? Keeping the mouse on it like a hover effect. But with mouse only he is doing it now. He's giving response. So these are mouse events. What are they? You have so many mouse events, sir. Most people use it. Mouse over, or you can use mouse out. In old times, we used to use mouse enter, mouse leave. Now we are using mouse over, mouse out. Okay. And you can say mouse move whenever you are moving your mouse. Like if someone just did one drawing app, like when the drawing app will work, when people are moving their mouse, wherever they are moving, they wanted that particular point to draw. Right or not? Just now someone you saw drawing app. In the drawing app, what is happening? Whenever they are moving their mouse, in that place it is drawing in canvas. So they will use mouse move. Some mouses will have wheel, like scroll option on mouse wheel, mouse up when it is going to up, mouse down. Like these are triggered by mouse. These are triggered by mouse. Now, those are called mouse events. Like most examples are on click, on mouse over, on mouse out, on mouse move. Sorry, no need of capital here. It doesn't matter. You don't write it as capital or small. It doesn't matter. It works with nicely. On mouse move, etc. Mostly people uses in mouse events on click only. There is some another thing called on double click also. That also will work on double click. On DBL click, you can write it. On double click also it will work. Like when someone click double tap only, it should work. Second. Keyboard events. These events are triggered when user applies response with keyboard. Example, we have only one function which is called key press. In olden times, we used to have two things, key down, key up. If you see old program, we used to have key down, key up. But now we are having only one thing, key press. What is key press? If you play any games, online games, they will have something like this. Press A. Immediately that guy will jump. Press B. Something will happen. Press arrow. You will move. Press P. Like it will work in YouTube also. Do you know that? If you go to YouTube, you click some P or key or something, or based on your keyboard letters, it will stop. You can play, you can pause. Do you know that, ma? I forgot that words, but actually, if you press some keywords, you can forward, backward also. J and K, perfect. Have you ever tried it, ma? And I wanted that kind of things in my website. How to do that? Okay, M for mute. These kind of things, if you want to do, they are called key press events. Keyboard events. The event is key press. What is that? Now, how to do that? Now, interesting point, sir. Then what is on key up? Someone is asking. Dekho. In olden times, we used to have two things. In keyboard, if you see, olden times, how they work, they will be like, if someone press it, key, the moment they press key down, the moment they release key up, two events they used to do in olden times. Key down, the moment they press and make it key down only, it will work. Whenever they release key up, that is olden times. But now there is no key up, there is no key down. Directly you can use key press. It's like just click it, leave it. Okay. Is this clear, ma, online? Online, is this clear? Now, I'm going to write it here. Now, sir, button bole to you will give on click. If button is there, people will click. But people are now entering M. So which one you will give event? On key press is okay. But which one you will give on key press? Right or not? You will give on key press to the body. Because body is the containing program. I will write everyone. Document बोले तो पूरा HTML के अंदर body है. Body dot on key press. Why key press is not there? Oh, key press is depreciated. Key up and key down are there. Then fine then. Key down. Okay, key press is depreciated. We will have key up and key down. Okay, key up, key down. That's more nice than there is no key press then. Key up, key down. Now go here. Whenever someone presses key down and whenever they release it, key up. Now go here. The moment someone clicks a key, document dot get element by ID, sorry, document dot body. Body, you don't need to write get element by ID. Document dot body on key down. The moment someone does it, you will write one function. Directly I'm doing it. Understand the difference. On click bole to they have to click something. For that you will write it for button. But for this no need of anything na. So that's why I'm writing it for directly body. If someone press it, what you will print ma? I wanted to print it like console.log. You pressed a key. You pressed a key. Now go here. Go here. On keyboard. Keyboard. Go here. Can you see? Whenever I'm pressing something, it's printing. Are you getting my point, ma? Whenever I'm pressing, it is coming, right or not? Now, second one, sir, how do you know which element you are pressing? Now, dekho. Now let's do it somewhat more slowly. Let's do it somewhat more slowly. Whenever you do an event, whenever you do an event, it will also take one argument called E. What is it called? Sir, where did you pass that argument? Automatically, the moment you triggered, it will pass an event called E. Directly, E will be passed. Now, what is E? E means event. Can anyone tell me what is the event working here? Anyone tell me what is the event working here? What is the event name here? On key down. What is the event here? Barabar. On key down is the event here. Now, key down is printing here. Now, the moment I go here, I'm printing in the keyboard something called P. Okay, go here. P. Can you see one event printed? What is that event is saying it? Keyboard event. What is the event name? Go here. Now, in this keyboard event, now go here. It is going here. It is an object. Can you see here? It is having so many things. In few, I will tell you slowly. Oh, bubbles kya hai? Slowly. Now go down. Can you see here something called key? E is a object which is containing event. Inside E, there is something called key. What is there? Key is containing whatever the value you pressed. Whatever the value you pressed. Now, sir, if I write it here, E. Now, go here. So, E is a object, sir. In that object, key is there. So, E dot key. E dot key. Now, go here. If I go here, if I write it here, inspect. Now, if I press A, anyone guess what it will print? A. If I press yes, oh sorry, not here. If I go here, if I press A, it's printing A na? If I print yes na? Right or not? Whatever I'm doing it, is it printing that? Go here. Now, W, E, is it printing or not? Perfect. Now, let's do it more kind of logical. Let's do it more logical. Are you all understanding, ma? Understand slowly. Now, देखो. I am writing two variables. A value 20, B value 30, A value 20, B value, if E dot K is equals to A, if E dot key is equals to A, then write it here, console.log, addition is yes, something A plus B. You can use template literal also if you want it. Now, else control X plus A for addition. Now see, if I press A only, it will do addition. If I press B, will it add ma? So the moment I press A, it will add them and give the result. Same thing. Like, sir, the moment I click M, it is becoming mute, sir. Why? Because they will write it on that E dot key equals to M. They will write the logic how to make it the mute. The moment how to make it the video pause. They will write one logic for pausing the video and they will put it here. Are you getting my point, ma? Now go here. Inspect. Now go here. Keyboard. I'm pressing U. Anything happen here? No. Is it adding? No. But if I press A, addition is 50. And if you are thinking nicely, if you think nicely, using this, you can create a nice app, sir. Like, I will show you some simple app. Recently, I have seen it, like in CodePen, drum JS, DOM. This one you might have seen it. Now dekho. It's like if I press E, it will do one sound, crash sound. If I press R, it will do one sound. If I press F, it will do one sound. Some particular part, it will go here. If I press G, can you see that it's moving? Actually, it will make sound also. Because we are in the class now, we can't hear, but you can do that. How that sound is coming, actually, all sounds are audio tags. You remembered in HTML, we discussed audio tags? Dekho. All the sounds they wanted, they will keep it in the audio tags. Dekho, see here, how many audios are there? But they will not play them directly. Instead, the moment you click on it, at that time only they will make them play. You take one, obviously, my keyboard will take one key at a time. You can't press it to like Control Z, those things also you can mention. Okay. If you print it here, sir, I wanted you to press Control A, not A. In that case, what you will do, if you print this E, you will understand actually. If you print this E, you will understand this actually. See, mostly people will not ask any interview questions on this, but I'm telling it so that you can create nice apps. Can you see here Alt key false? If you make this Alt key true, you know what will happen? Like for that, I wanted Alt key should be true. Like they have to press Alt plus A kind of thing. Then only I will work, else I will not work kind of thing. So Alt key should be true or Control key will be there here only somewhere. Control key, Control A. Are you getting my point, ma? If someone click Control key, automatically Control true, and then A, so answer will be Control key true plus A. So then only it will work some addition. Does anyone have any question on these keyboard events? Online, anyone have any question, ma? No. Next, third one. They are going kind of slow actually. Next, Next one, form events. These events are triggered when user these events are triggered when user applies online. Ritika Gupta asking how to run only JS file without HTML. Whatever JavaScript you are learning is client side JavaScript. You can't run without HTML. No. There is something server side, Node.js, that you can run. But in that Node.js, you can't put document.getElementById and all. Only browser you can make it. This document and all are in browser. So that you can't run without the HTML. HTML should be there. These events are triggered when user applies response with forms or inputs. Like someone is like Google event, someone is entering. The moment they enter, I want something to happen. The moment they enter, I wanted something to happen. The moment after they enter, I want something to happen. The moment they changed, they selected initially one button and they changed it to another button, I wanted to happen. They selected one radio button, I wanted to happen. They clicked the checkbox, I want something to happen. Whole form submitted, I wanted something to happen. Those are form events. Now let me do it here. One simple form is there. Form. Inside this, input, placeholder, enter name, ID, NA. Now, here I will write paragraph, ID, para. I will create an empty paragraph. Now, देखो. Const input element equals to, how to take that input element? Document dot get element by ID. What is the ID name? NA. Para is the paragraph one. For paragraph const para equals to document dot get element by ID para. Document dot get element by ID para. Now you go here, sir. The moment you are entering name here, see, whenever I am typing in the input box, I want it automatically, it should come in the paragraph. Is there anything in the paragraph? No. The moment I am typing there, it should come here. That is the target. Is it clear, ma? If to show you clearly, I will put for this paragraph some style border. Right. Cite some kind of 100 pixel with the 200 pixel. I am just giving some kind of, border just to show you. Okay, it's not necessary. This is a CSS for simple CSS. Now you go here. Go to output, sir. Can you see para is there, ma? Everyone? Whenever I'm typing here, I wanted it to come here. So how you will do? The moment you are typing, you want it to work. So you will write an event called on input. What is event, ma? On input. I will make it here. Something kind of some name. I will write that function, sir. Where is this? Make input function. Make input. And inside this function make input, I will put all the data here. Okay. Inside this function make input, inside the para, let's take it para dot text content equals to input element dot value. So whatever the value inside the input element, give it to the para ka text content. But when this function will run, whenever you are giving the input, whenever you are giving the, go here, I'm writing it here, ma. P, can you see that? Online, is it, are you getting it, my point, ma? Online? Online, are you getting my point, sir? Good. Someone is asking it like document.add event listener. Don't worry, ma. I will tell you. We will come to that. Is this clear, everyone? First one is on input. The moment you enter. Okay. See, I am entering here. Or the moment I'm entering, it is coming here, na? How it is coming, sir? The moment you are entering here, on input will work. The moment you click a button, on click will work, na? Same way, the moment you enter, on input will work. This on input is going to make input. What function it is calling, sir? What this make input is doing? This make input is taking input value. This make input is taking input value and giving it into the para value. Simple. This make input is taking the input value and giving it into the para value. But when it is working, whenever you are giving input, whenever you are giving, now let's go here. Same thing, let's do it in a different way. Select, select, choice, choice, online. One more time, someone is asking what is on input. On input is a event which will work whenever you change the whenever you give input. The moment you are entering, take it Google, sir. In Google, the moment you are entering mobiles, MOP, automatically it will come suggestions, na? So what is happening? The moment you are entering, it is automatically asking, doing one function. How it will trigger the moment you enter? Because on input. Because of the, sir, when you click a button, on click is working. When you are giving input, on input is working. Is this clear, ma? Online? Online, is it clear, ma? Now, good. Let's do it more. Like I'm giving one option, option male, male, option female. To the people who don't know, this is all HTML only. Like in HTML, we do this options. This is, do you remember, ma? This is drop down box will come. If I do this, see one drop down is come. Now what do you want, sir? If I change male to female, the moment I'm changing, it should come. It should come here in this para. If you change it, you should get it. How do you do that, sir? On change. What you will do it, ma? On change. On change. Sorry, not here. Sorry. On change. The moment you change, call one function. Call one function. Make input 2. Which function I'm calling, sir? But when it will work, sir? Whenever you changed it. Whenever you go here, I will write it same function. In this para.text content is nothing but document dot get element by ID. What is the ID here? What is the ID for drop down, ma? Choice. What is the ID? Copy here, paste the ID here, and then dot value. Dot value. That's it. Okay. Then complete. Punish class 2 columns. 7. Okay. Now go here. Now see here. I'm going here and changing it. Why did I not do? Make input 2. Make input 2. Go here. Console. Go here. Can you see when I change it here, it's coming here? So how do you select it whenever you are doing in HTML? You will select it here, sir. Sir, is value and text content same? Someone is asking. Value and text content are same, but difference is paragraph will have text content because paragraph ke andar text will be there. Inputs will have value. Inputs you will not have text, na? Inputs will have value. Are you getting my point, ma? Whatever the user giving input, they are value. They are not text contents. Like this drop down, user is giving it. But if you have printed something H2 or anchor tag or image, those things will have different values, different things. Online, is it clear, ma? Chinmaya, is it clear? Online, is it clear now? Okay. On input, on change. You can give it something like on select. The moment someone select it, also you can give on select. It will work. Most widely used one is I can keep a button submit on submit. What is that, sir? Sir, the moment someone submit, what do you want me to do? I think you all know what you will do. The moment someone submit, we will call one function. In that function, I will check it. Is each one is valid or not? Did they give input or not? Did they give password or not? Is that password and all are correct or not? Is it having length greater than 8 or not? Like that, I will check. Each one I will do validation. After doing it only, I will submit it to the backend. How to submit to backend, we will learn in API. Okay. But form submission will be done with an event called on submit. What is it called? So most widely used form events are on input, on change. For radio buttons and checkboxes, you can use something called on select. For whole form, you can use something called on submit, etc. Next one, window events. Window events. These events are triggered when user applies response with whole window. Like, I went to one website, sir. Okay. And after I going to that website, after I scrolled 50% of the website, I wanted one pop-up. Have you ever seen that some websites, when you go to the website now, after you scroll half of the website, then you will get one pop-up. After you, like, whenever you wanted to close the website, then you will get it something message. Do you really want to close our website? Something. Okay. Like these kind of events are called window events. What are they called? Window events. You can directly write it here. How do they apply, sir? You can write it here. There is one object called window. Window dot on abort. Whenever you are aborting, means stopping, or most widely used ones. Okay, we don't use these animations and all, but still Do you remember in CSS you will give animations? You all know CSS animations, na? Imagine you give one animation, right? One ball is moving top to down. Now, the movement before ball starts, what you wanted to do on animation start. When animation end, what do you want me to do on animation end? If animation is repeating, iteration bole to animation not one time. You can give multiple times also. If it is repeating, what do you want me to do? If you wanted to do any dynamic functions, you can try with this. You can use something like on close. Whenever you are closing one box or something kind of one, you will use this. Okay. On drag, the moment people use dragging, like yesterday, someone asked me, sir, can I put one box and can I make it drag and drop? Yes, you can do that. The moment people are dragging it, you can drag it. Whenever they leave, you can write drag leave, drag and drag enter. So like this, you can use multiple events now. Mostly people uses window events in a very rare conditions, like on resize, whenever someone is resizing it, okay, or on scroll, whenever someone is scrolling it, or scroll end. What if someone scroll to the end of the page? These all are some conditions. Events, but it's like, okay, what if it happens? What to do? If someone click kareto, what to do? Like that, that is an event. Same way, if someone goes to the end of the website, scroll end, what to do? You can give one function. Are you getting my point, ma? Now, most widely used window events are on scroll, on resize, on scroll end, on scroll end, etc. These were the most things we will use. Does anyone in the online have any question in, any question or doubts? What is an event here? No. Sir, does the events are over? No. We need to discuss events in the depth, actually. There, till now, you are representing events using on click, but there is another way to represent events. Instead of writing in HTML on click, you can use something called in JavaScript add event listener. What is it called? Which we will discuss tomorrow. And we will discuss what is event propagation, what is event delegation, what is bubbling, what is capturing. Those things we'll discuss. And also we will discuss some set timeout and set interval kind of things. Okay, so that tomorrow you will understand it something bigger level. Okay. Focus on next 1 week. This 1 week is only highly important, ma. Okay. Online, anyone have any question, ma, in this? Someone asked me what is onload. Whenever you loaded a particular file, automatically what do you want me to happen? You will do that. Onload. On? Toggle bole to on and off, like a switch. Okay. You usually make it one thing disappear and appear. Appear, disappear. In those things, they call it as on toggle. Any doubts, ma? No. No. Mostly by end of this month, this batch will end, ma. Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you all.